How to fix app not found. The app wasn't found in the list of installed apps problem. If you are not being able to find an app that was already installed on your device, then follow these steps. Firstly, open Settings on your device. In Settings, scroll down and you will see an option called Apps. Click on it. Inside Apps, you will mostly see all the applications that are installed on your device. If you don't see some of the apps, then click on the three-dot icon and select Reset App Preferences. This will reset the apps and it might show the hidden apps. If this didn't work, then try this next step. Go back to your previous page and select General Management. Inside General Management, scroll down and here you will see the option Reset. Click on the Reset option to reset your preferences again. Now go back to your home page and give your device a quick restart. Once your device restarts, then check the apps. If some of the apps are not showing, then follow these steps. Open your App Store or Play Store on your device. Now search for those specific apps that are not showing. From the Play Store, again install the applications or update the applications. That's all for today. Thank you.